This is South Florida's CBS 4 News.
Still ahead on CBS 4 News at 6, trampled at a theater. A Miami Beach movie theater will have to pay up after a woman was injured by moviegoers days after a mass shooting at a movie theater in Colorado. How she says her life has changed. Next. New at 6, a night at the movies turns into a disaster for a South Florida woman. In 2012, she was trampled by moviegoers running from a fight at a Miami Beach theater days after a mass shooting at a movie theater in Colorado. Now a judge has ordered the theater to pay up. CBS 4's Joe Murray has more.
I think about it every day. Time has not healed the pain Maria Navas has felt since she was trampled during a stampede at the Regal Cinemas Theater on Miami Beach in 2012.
Maybe I would be in a different place in my life right now than waiting 4 years for this to end.
Back then, moviegoers were on edge after a mass shooting in Colorado during a screening of the new Batman film. A few days later, Navas was at the Regal on Miami Beach when police say this man left the theater, came back wearing gloves, and yelled, "This is it."
That was scary because everybody rushed the stairs, everybody ran for their lives. Nobody was being courteous, understandably so, trying to get out as quick as possible.
But Navas's right foot was crushed. She needed 2 surgeries to put 18 plates and screws in her foot that will never be 100%.
Getting up in the morning was horrendous because I had to sleep with my foot elevated, and then in the mornings I had to bring it down, so all the blood would rush, and it felt like they were dropping concrete blocks on my foot every morning.
Her lawyer convinced a jury that trampling did not have to happen, that the theater should have done more to stop it. Navas was awarded $1.7 million for her permanent injury.
Their own company sent notification to all theaters that they needed to be more vigilant, on high alert, and take seriously and look at all the policies and procedures, as well as to see if anything else needed to be done differently.
Navas says she hopes she won't have to worry about medical costs anymore.
If they had more security or being more on top of what was going on, especially in this particular movie, it was the same movie as The Dark Knight Rises, maybe it could have been prevented.
Now, when this all happened, police did arrest a man accused of inciting a riot. He says it was all a misunderstanding. We're still waiting to hear whether the theater plans to appeal this verdict. In Miami Beach, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.